Hi, this is Ambili Menon. Today I am demonstrating few simple and basic asanas which can relieve back pain. These are very simple and basic asanas and it has to be performed in a slow, stress-free and in a convenient way possible to you. Since these asanas are used to relieve back pain, care to be taken that there should not be any vigorous movements or jerking movements. Each asana has to be performed 3 to 5 times depending upon the convenience of the person, and each asana has to be maintained 15 seconds. Also, care is to be taken that if at any point of time you feel a jerk or a strain or a back pain, leave all the asanas and get into Shavasana or child's pose. So that is also being demonstrated in the video. Please follow the instructions and do the asanas accordingly. I'm sure that you will find it extremely beneficial to relieve back pain. Kindly subscribe to my channel, view the videos, like and share them. Stay safe, stay healthy.
We'll start our session with Pavan Muktasana or the wind relieving pose. Come to Pavan Muktasana and slowly roll the body side to side to ease the stiffness of the back. Maintain Pavan Muktasana. The body can feel completely at ease and natural every moment. Just let it be. If it is not possible to hold your knees close to the chest, this is another variant of Pavan Muktasana. This asana releases the tension and soothes the stiffness of the spine. Relax. Next asana for relieving back pain is Supta Kapotasana or reclining pigeon pose. Gently pull your leg towards the chest at this position. Please do not raise the head towards the knee when you are having back pain. Hold this position and release. Repeat it with the other leg. Let it be as natural and smooth as possible. No pressure to be exerted. This opens the hips, groin, hamstrings and relieves pressure from the lower back and sciatica. Release. Now we'll be performing spinal rolls if it is possible for you. Spinal roll or rocking exercise massages your spine and back. It keeps your spine supple and flexible and also help you to sleep better. Relax. Preparing for Sedubandhasana or the bridge pose, raise your pelvis from the ground only to the extent possible. Sedubandhasana helps relieve lower back pain. Here, the core, abdominal, back, hip and hamstring muscles work in tandem and keep the lower body in the air, and it strengthens the back muscles. Lie down flat on the ground. Next we'll be doing knee to chest stretch. Pull your knees slowly towards the chest. Repeat it with the other leg. Let it be as gentle and natural as possible. No pressure to be exerted while pulling your knee close to the chest. Gives an excellent relief to your back muscles. Relax. Coming to cat and cow pose. Inhale and come to cat pose. Exhale to a cow pose. Inhale, flex your back. Exhale, hunch your back. Inhale to a cat pose. Exhale to cow pose. Flex your back, lift your head, and now hunch your back and look down. Repeat this. It is an excellent back pain reliever. If you find it difficult to perform the normal cat and cow pose, you can take the support of chair and perform the same asana. Inhale to the cat pose, exhale to your cow pose. Inhale, look up. Exhale, hunch your back and look down. Inhale, flex your back, look up. Exhale, hunch your back and look down. Excellent back pain reliever. Preparing for Janu Shirshasana, which is an excellent back pain reliever. Raise your hands. Slowly try to touch your toes by extending the spine. Maintain at the level possible to you. Do not go down if you have back pain. Limit to the extent possible to you. This gently massages the back muscles. Repeat it with the other leg. Hold the toes. Go down only to the limit possible. This gives an excellent stretch to the back muscle and helps relieving back pain. Showing the same asana at a different angle. Extend the spine and try to touch the toes. Going down only to the limit possible. If this is the limit possible, hold at that level and maintain. Repeating the asana with the other leg. This relieves back pain considerably. Come back and relax. This is another lie down asana which can relieve back pain considerably. Raise one leg and place it on the thigh of the other leg. Now with the opposite hand, stretch the knee to one side and look at the opposite side. This gives good toning and strengthening to the back muscles and helps relieve back pain. Repeat the same with the other leg. Push your leg to one side and look at the opposite side. You can see the stretch it is giving to the back muscles. This is found to relieve back pain to a large extent. Release and relax. Another excellent asana to relieve back pain is Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. This is normal Bhujangasana where the toes are touching to each other. When in back pain, keep your toes apart towards the edges of the mat and perform Bhujangasana. No need to exert pressure on the back. Gently raise the chest from the ground to the extent possible. Release. If it is not possible to perform Bhujangasana, you can perform Sphinx pose. This is a relaxed version of Bhujangasana and found to relieve back pain. Relax. Now we'll be doing another stretch taking wall support. Stand at a distance of 1 feet away from the wall. Place your hands on the wall and extend your chest towards the wall. It's only the chest and the upper back which is brought towards the wall. The lower part of the body is kept at a distance of 1 feet from the wall. Gently bring the upper body towards the wall and try to touch the wall. The hands are kept firmly at the wall. Repeat it 5 to 10 times. This is found to give excellent relief to back pain. Relax. Next we'll be performing child's pose, which is a very relaxing asana, and it is found to relieve back pain to a large extent. Try not to raise the hips too much from the heels. Very soothing and relaxing asana. Our last asana for the day is Shavasana with wall support. Bring your pelvis closer to the wall. The pelvis should be touching to the wall. Raise both your legs upwards on the wall. Stretch the hands on both sides and relax your body completely. If it is not possible to keep the leg raised on the wall, it should be kept in this position. This is a very relaxing posture. You are completely at ease. Maintaining this relaxing posture is found to heal back pain to a large extent. Now turn to one side and come up.